For the tuning, this guitar is standard E flat. So, yung 6 string, binaba ko lang siya in whole step. So, all string, ito yung magiging tune niya. C sharp, G sharp, C sharp, F sharp, A sharp, and then D sharp. So, it's drop C sharp. Okay, for our first riff, I play like this. Yung chord note niya, bale, it's D7, G7, and then B6. Ganito. Tapos, i-open strum mo lang. And then, yung lick part na harmonics doon is B5, G5, and then B6. Parang ganyan, slow. Ulitin natin from the top. By the way, yung E string, open din siya, naka-open din siya pag strum mo. And then, yung second guitarist nila, bale, he played like this. So, open. Yung chord note niya pala is open. Tapos, E6, E5, saka E3 lang. So, slow natin. And then, I'm using my palm para ma-mute yung 6 string. Yan yung rhythm niya. Isama mo din yung sa A part. So, para medyo mabigat. So, from the top. Okay, for our second riff, this one is yung yung main riff nila. Ito rin yung riff dun sa chorus part. So I play like this. Okay, yung chord note niya, bali, open. And then, A5. A5, A3, and then open. Tapos, balik ka sa E5. So, ulit. Tapos, E5 ulit. I-bend mo yung sa last part. So, slow natin. And then, balik-balik lang sila dito sa E3, and then E5. So, ulit. And then yung second part, bale, depend mo siya ng siguro mga quarter. And then, balik sa E3, open. So, from the top. Balik ulit. And then mag-slide ka sa 17, pero mag-chug ka muna. So parang ganito. Ulit-ulit. And then yung harmonics part sa dito kasi sa kinukuha sa F sharp. Parang ganito. So balik tayo dito sa F sharp. Naka-mute ako, pero ina-harmonics part, ina-harmonics ko siya. Parang ganyan. So, ulit. Then yun na yung last part niya. So ulitin natin. Okay, for our third riff, this one is verse part riff nila. I played like this. Chord chord note nun, yun na yung chorus part. So, same riff dun sa main riff natin. Parehas lang sila. So, dun sa verse part, yung chord note would be open twice, and then chug, A3 going sa A5. And then yung lick nun, bale, sa D4. D4, A5, A3. So, parang ganito. Parang ganun lang yung riff ng verse niya. So, madali lang siya. And then, yung second riff nun, bale, papunta na siya sa chorus. It's A3, A5, D3, D5, and then D5 again, D7, G5, G7, and then bebend mo yung B8. So parang ganito. Open ka muna. Slow. Yan yung last part niya. So, tapos nun, going na sa chorus part, which is yung main riff na tinugtog natin. It's the same pattern lang sila. So, let's play again. Okay, for our fourth riff, this one is yung sa solo part niya. I played like this. So, yung chord note niya, bale, slide mo lang siya from G5 sa G7. And then open. Tapos G4, G5. So ulit. And then yung second riff would be ito. So it's D7, D9, saka D10. Pero mabilis. Slide mo lang. So, ulit. So, dito na tayo sa part na to. Tapos open. Open again. Ulit. Tapos D4 bend. So slow natin. Okay, pagkatapos nung solo part, bali, babalik ulit dun sa parang yung intro part. I think it's twice, tapos yun na. So, that's it. That's my guitar tutorial for Pentura ng Juan. Kinover up ko rin to last week pa, kasabay nung Daliri. So, yun lang. Thank you very much for watching, and then please do follow me sa Facebook profile page ko na Jongski or Jong TV 360. You can look it out sa Facebook, and then sa YouTube channel ko din na Jong TV 360. Okay, thank you, and then see you next time, guys. Bye bye.